And now, time to celebrate!
It's really, really great. That's you know, chasing records has never really been my target. But this one have such a special meaning for me in Monte Carlo. That's where I discovered rally as a kid, you know, watching this rally, and that's where I got my dream to do that one day. So, yeah, I've mentioned it a million times to say that's the rally I want to win the most. And this year, I think I just had an amazing feeling driving the Yaris, and yeah, except for the puncture, I think we had an amazing race with a good speed all the time. So, yeah, weekend like this, you want to have them always. It feels definitely great. So for sure, yeah, happy with that. And now, yeah, in a bit of a month, it will be a new rally again in Arctic Rally. I'm really looking forward for that one. Let's say, aware that probably won't be hard to open the road, but you never know. Maybe it can be cold, and maybe, yeah, I definitely hope to have good condition there on snow, because it's something special driving those cars on snow. I was always confident that with Yari there would be no problem at all working together again. It couldn't be any better start for him. We were close to make the triple. We made the triple in the power stage. Now that the points are counting for manufacturer, that's very important, and a lot of points for the team this week. And we reached the maximum. So that's fantastic start for the season. And working with him is yeah, like the start for us, very promising.
Yeah, solid start to the year. You're never happy with second place essentially, but. To be fair, we didn't risk enough or not be in a position to be confident enough to drive right on the edge this weekend. And you know, Seb was also very strong and difficult to beat. So unfortunately, second was the best it could be for us this weekend. But it's a strong start as a team, and we're in a strong position moving now into Arctic. So let's wait and see. I mean, it's not a bad start, but let's say not perfect. Yeah, we're happy, but that also reflected a little bit in the stage times. You know, we were never, let's say, spectacularly fast. So I think that's sort of in line with the fact that we, let's say, didn't take huge risks. So, yeah, I wish, to be honest, that I had the feeling to charge a little bit more, but it wasn't to be, so we had to use our head a little bit this weekend.
Yeah, challenging start of the season for us. However, after such a quick and late co-driver change, we were able to find a solution to be still competitive this weekend. Step by step, Martin and me in the car were able to find more confidence, to improve our collaboration, and as well to improve our speed day by day. And being at the end on the podium is a satisfying result regarding the situation. I think after the performance he delivered this weekend and staying calm, with always controlling the situation, I think was a positive point. Also, the job in the car has been really impressive, considering the difficulties in Monte Carlo. So we're definitely going to be in the car for the next rally, and hopefully for the whole season.